Hey, what's up guys? We're back here to show you guys another little segment of what would I use to basically get my car wash business to another level. And I'm not personally saying business, but in general, just your skills and, I guess better clientele, These are the chemicals that I personally think that can boost you guys up to make you guys either at a higher level or more or less better clientele that you might not have. We got the soap, we got a little bit of some spray wax, we got some wheel cleaner, some tire shine, a clay bar, a wheel cleaner. And also the reason why we are using this foam cannon specifically is basically because it's very entry level. This is basically a hose attachment. You plug and play the hose. You have the hose, you plug it in here. And then also guys, this right here is a quick attachment. So you're able to sit there and foam it, but when you want to rinse, you don't gotta sit here and take everything off. You basically just go pull this trigger and now it's basically its own handle, just like any sprayer that you would see at the store. Now you plug back and go, and now you're able to foam. That's basically it. This is why we would use this one, because it's really quick. You don't need a pressure washer for that one. You just need a water hose. And we also got the purple twisted tails. The reason why I'm saying this 3-pack tails, basically we need a 3-pack, at least a 3-pack of tails. The reason for that is we need something for to wash the car. Then we need something to dry it. And then we most likely need something to apply this spray wax or whatever you're doing at the last coat, you know what I mean? And we only need about 3, but you can fluctuate and use more. Another thing too is we're using this tire dressing. The tire dressing is to make sure that you get all the plastics, even the rubber, you know what I mean? Even the tires, nice and dressed up. And this is exactly why I'm saying to upsell or upgrade your details into something better. And then we also got the spray wax. We want to take it a little further after we wash. We want to get them clay bar, some of the spray wax. You could use a clay lube, but we're going to use a spray wax because basically the spray wax is going to seal it up after you're done doing your clay bar. And we got the tire and the wheel cleaner. The wheel cleaner is hiding over here, but we got this wheel cleaner, guys, basically to get inside those wheel barrels and those hubs, you know what I mean? The spots that are hard to get, especially with towels. If you only got a few towels, but you know what I mean? You don't want to sit there and use them all just for that. Just for the wheels, you know what I mean? You want to make sure you fluctuate between them. And then we got the last thing is we got the tire brush. The tire brush is to basically remove all that grime, all that dirt. And when you apply this tire dressing, you're gonna have a wet tire look, no browning. If you guys just like this little bundle that we have, this will be on the MaxShine USA website. So you guys can go on there, see it, visit it, and see exactly what comes in the kit. This is it visually. We want to say thank you guys for your time. If you guys would leave a like, comment, and subscribe, that would be awesome. Our next video, our next segment that we would like to do is something to introduce you guys, something more funner for you guys out there that want to start polishing. Next video we would do is to show you guys the appropriate tools to start polishing, enhance those polishing skills. Something that we think that maybe you guys could use as essential tools for those procedures. And we want to say thank you guys, and we will see you guys in the next episode.